Welcome you all. In this video we are going to discuss Newton's law of cooling. So this comes under applications of differential calculus. So here we are going to use the Newton's law to find the rate of change of the temperature or the temperature of the body at a given particular time t. The statement for Newton's law of cooling is the rate of change of temperature of a body is directly proportional to the difference in temperature of the surrounding medium and that of the body at any time t. See, if you have a body that has some temperature, initial temperature, then the variation in the temperature, or that variation we call here as rate of change of temperature. That means how temperature is going to vary with respect to time t. So that rate of change will be directly depending on the difference of the temperature of the body and also temperature of the surrounding medium. So if you let T naught to be the temperature of the medium and T to be the temperature of the body and small t to be time, then d capital T by d small t, this denotes the rate of change of temperature. This term denotes the rate of change of temperature. So the rate of change of temperature is directly depending on the difference in the temperature of the body and the surrounding medium. So since this parameter is directly proportional to this, we can write that as d capital T by dt equal to minus k into some constant into t minus t naught, because this ratio will be always same, constant. So we can write d capital T by d small t equal to some constant into t minus t naught. So this constant you can take negative or positive, that is not a matter, but here we have taken negative sign just to denote that as time increases the temperature is going to decrease. So to denote the decrease in temperature we have taken negative sign, that is just indicating the temperature, how temperature is varying, that is indicated by this negative sign. So this by separating the variables we have d capital T by d small capital T minus capital T naught equal to minus k into dt. Now integrating this we get log of t minus t naught equal to minus k into t plus log c. So this we can write as log of t minus t naught minus log c equal to minus kt. So t minus t naught by c of log, this is equal to e minus kt. Now taking log on this side, it will be t minus t naught divided by c equal to e power minus kt, or we have the relation t minus t naught equal to c into e power minus kt. This is the formula we are going to use to solve problems on Newton's law of cooling. So now let us consider problems one by one. Here usually we get two types of problems. One is at a given particular time we need to find the temperature of the body. Another is temperature will be given, we need to find how many time is needed to achieve that temperature. So time ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಎರಡೇ ಥರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 1, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎ, a body originally at 80 degrees Celsius cools down to 60 degrees Celsius in 20 minutes. The temperature of the air that is the medium here, is being 40 degrees Celsius. What will be the temperature? What will be the temperature of the body? What will be the temperature of the body after 40 minutes? from the original. So this is the problem statement. So let us solve this one. So this is the formula we are going to use. So solution. See, at T equal to 0, the temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. At T equal to 20, see here it says a body originally at 80 degrees Celsius cools down to 60 degrees Celsius in 20 minutes. That means at 0th minute temperature of the body is 80 degrees Celsius. At 20th minute temperature of the body is 60 degrees Celsius. So at T equal to 20, capital T will be 60. At T equal to 40, so what is the temperature? This is we need to determine. And it is given that the temperature of the medium is 40 degrees Celsius. That is T naught is 40 degrees Celsius. Now we have this formula T minus T naught equal to C into e power minus KT. So that we have to use here. By Newton's law, we have T minus T naught equal to C into e power minus KT. So first you have to use this at T equal to 0. So we will be having capital T is 80, T naught is 40 equal to C into e power 0 is 1. Therefore C you get 40, because this term it is equal to 1. So you get C equal to 40. Next, at T equal to 20, so capital T is 60. At small t equal to 20, capital T is 60. And T naught, that is fixed, 60 into 40, C is 40 into e power minus 20k, e power minus 20k. So this implies 20 equal to 40 into e power minus 20k. So you get e power 20k equal to 40 by 20, that is 2. ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ e power 20k ಆಯಿತು equal to 40 divided by, okay, I'll write it, 40 divided by 20, that is 2 you get. So taking exponential, log on both sides, e will be 20k will be log 2, log 2 to the base e. Natural logarithm you have to use. Calculator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ln ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So k will be, from this you can check that using your calculator, k will be 1 by 20. Yes, now I have not written the exact value, ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ k equal to 1 by 20. Now finally at t equal to 40, we have capital T is 40. So okay, we need to find capital T, right? Capital T minus capital T naught, that is 40, equal to C. C is again 40 into e power minus kt, right? K ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 20 into log 2 to the base e into 20, t is 40. So this 20, okay, this 2 times, and it will be 40 into e power log of 1 by 4. So simplifying this, we will be getting capital T equal to approximately 50 degrees Celsius. See, this is capital T minus 40. So capital T equal to 40 plus 40 into this, you have to compute e power log of 0.25, I think. So this you have to compute using calculator. You will be getting approximately 50 degrees Celsius. So So that is problem A. Next, problem B. If the temperature of the air is being 30 degrees Celsius, and the substance cools down, from 100 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius in 15 minutes. Find when the temperature will be 40 degrees Celsius. Shorter barita idane, will be 40 degrees Celsius. So this is the problem statement. Solution: given, see here T naught is given. T naught is 30 degrees Celsius. When small t equal to 0, capital T is 100 degrees Celsius. When small t is 15 minutes, capital T is 70 degrees Celsius. We need to find at what time capital T will be 40 degrees Celsius. See, previous problem time was given and we are supposed to find the temperature. Here temperature was given, we need to find the time required to achieve that temperature. We have by Newton's law, what we have by Newton's law, T minus T naught equal to C into e power minus kt. So that implies, okay, yes, at t equal to 0, capital T is 100 minus T naught is 30 equal to C into e power 0. E power 0 is 1, so C will be 70. At t equal to 15, capital T is 70 minus temperature of the air is 30 equal to C is 70 into e power minus 15 k. So get 40 equal to 70 e power minus 15 k. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು 40 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ, so it will be e power 15k equal to 70 divided by 40, that is 7/4. So here 15k will be equal to log of 7/4. So finally we will be getting k approximately equal to 0.0373. Next, finally, so we have T equal to 40 degrees Celsius. At T equal to 40 degrees Celsius, let us write the formula. Capital T 40 minus T naught 30 equal to C is 70 into e power minus 0.0373 T. We need to find this T. So 40 minus 30, you get 10 equal to 70 into e power minus 0.0373 T. So again, as usual, taking this exponential this side, e power 0.0373 T equal to 70 by 10, that is 7. So 0.0373 T will be log 7 and T will be log 7 divided by 0.0373. This is approximately 52.17 minutes. So that is the required solution. Similarly, there is one more problem, problem C. Problem C. the air is maintained at 30 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of the body cools down from 80 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius in 12 minutes. Find the temperature of the body after 24 minutes. So this problem is almost similar to problem A. Solution given. So T naught is fixed 30 degrees Celsius. So when small t equal to 0, capital T is 80. When small t equal to 12, capital T equal to 60. When small t is we need to find small t. Okay, yes, small t is given 24. We need to determine capital T. Yes, exactly. Now, by Newton's law of cooling, we have T minus T naught equal to C into e power minus kt. Okay, at small t equal to 0, we'll be getting capital T 8, small t 30, capital T naught 30 equal to C into e power 0 1, so C is 50. At small t equal to 12, we will be having 60, temperature of the body, temperature of the medium 30 equal to 50, the value of C, into e power minus 12t. So again this will be 30 equal to 50 into e power minus 12t. So e power 12t from this, e power 12t equal to 50 divided by 30, that is 5 by 3. Or it is not t, it is k, sorry, k it is. So get k by simplification, 1 by 12 into log of 5 by 3. Finally at t equal to 24, capital T is need to be determined minus small t, capital T naught, that is 30 fixed, equal to C value 50 into e power minus k value 1 by 12 into log of 5 by 3 into 24 to the. So this is same as t equal to 30 plus 50 into e power minus 2 into log of 5 by 3. So you can check that T will be approximately 37.926 degrees Celsius or 38 degrees Celsius, you can say. I think it is 47. I think you can check this one for accurate answer. It is, I think, 47, not 37. So it will be approximately 48 degrees Celsius. So this completes the solution of problems on Newton's law of cooling. Thank you.